every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the Kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm gonna try a recipe which I think will be the quickest dessert recipe that I've tried so far on my food challenge. And I'm trying 300 something recipe already, so that says a lot. So I'm gonna try Laura's Cheesecake Trifles. And let me be honest, I don't really believe that they will taste like cheesecakes, but at the same time, I have high hopes that this recipe actually will come into my summer breakfast life because, well, you just wait. See it for yourself. So if you're curious to see how it goes, how it looks, and how it tastes in the very end, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 200 grams of vanilla yogurt, 6 biscuits or any other kind of cookie you have, 20 grams of lemon curd, some fresh raspberries, some powdered sugar, and some mint. I'll start by putting the cookies into a Ziploc bag and making sure to close it really well, and then using a rolling pin, I'll just bash them up. Perfect. And now take any kind of serving glasses you want, cups, glasses, whatever, and then just divide this bashed cookies among them. And now I'm gonna mix together yogurt with the lemon curd. And now it's as straightforward as it looks. I'm gonna divide everything what you see here among these two serving glasses. So on top of the crust of the cheesecake, I'm gonna put the cheesecake itself. So that's the yogurt mixture. Then I'm gonna top that with some berries, with some mint leaves. I'm gonna dust it with some powdered sugar. And then this will go into the fridge to set for 30 minutes before I try it. It became so dark. I think it's gonna rain again. Did you know, fun fact, that the name of my country, which is Lietuva, Lithuania, actually has the root similar to rain? There you have it. Oh, and I assembled a perfect bite. This looks so good. I love berries. I don't know why Laura called it cheesecake. Well, okay, I know. She kind of explained. Let's ignore that. You have that, like the crust and then the cheesecake and then the berries, but let's be honest, it's yogurt. It's so good. Okay, this, oh my god, this will be my breakfast. While we have abundance of berries, should I maybe keep some eye contact? I'm so busy in summer. Well, there's plenty of different kinds of berries. This is wonderful. This is such a great recipe for breakfast. Dessert too, it looks really cute. It's a super healthy dessert. How cool when you can have breakfast which could also be dessert. This is so good. Okay, I promise, the last bite. This, I'm making this for breakfast. No questions asked. This is so good. The main thing now is, pick the cookies you really like. I love those, what's the name of it? Velvet, I think? It's like digestive biscuits with forest berries or something. I love those. I love those. This yogurt is amazing. If you cannot find lemon curd, I actually made mine myself what was the recipe called? I think it's lemon meringue pie or something like that. I will leave the link in the description box to that video because there's a recipe for lemon curd there. So there you have it. I just cut it in half and I have plenty of lemon curd now because I had a feeling I love this recipe and I will make it for breakfast. And I was right. Okay, I really want to take another bite. This is great. This is very simple, very quick, very easy. You can assemble, I believe it, like the night before, and then you can just have it for breakfast. It will be all nice and set. This tastes amazing. If you just choose cookies and you know yogurt you like, I mean, where could you fail? Nowhere. So this is how Laura's look like. This is, what was the name? Trifles? I didn't Google what it actually meant. Like, is it just sweets or something? So this is how mine looks like. It looks exactly the same. Oh, I love this. I truly do. So if you want a written recipe for it, you can find it in the description box down below in both American and the metric systems. As always, because I do convert every single recipe I try into the metric system, so you know, I can try it out. If you want to watch Laura make this, the video is there. If you want another, I don't even know, should I leave a link to breakfast or to dessert playlist? So anyways, if you want more ideas on something yummy to make, the list is here, and I'm just running away because this looks really inviting. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!